Yeah, you can see the output of the terminal of the chip on the right, and you can see that the different values are coming in through the terminal. This is not uploaded to the website at the moment, but this is simply the output of the microcontroller. What you can read is temperature 57, because I'm putting it in the focus. As you can see here on webcam, this spot here is the focal point. It's not smoking, but it was smoking before. I'm going to see how high the temperature can get. As you can see here, 56. It was 57. So if I adjust the thing a little bit, now it starts smoking. So it should should heat up. 58. I've been looking at the price of this configuration, and really, if you look at the parts, you've got the focus lens and the linear lens, or the mirror lens and the linear probably as well. You're talking about $320 in parts, and then it has to be put together and sent. So the price is not that unrealistic. Here you can see that the temperature is now 67 degrees, 68 still rising. It should be able to go up to 125, so yeah, this is when it starts smoking. I replaced the wooden background, 73 now, here, temperature 73. The wooden background with a piece of saw that I had to throw away anyway because it was a worthless tool. But it's metal, it's pretty thin, and you can see that it combats the heat. So I clamped the temperature sensor to the saw blade. We're now approaching 80 degrees Celsius. 78. Smoking. The sort of paint on the blade is still burning. 80 degrees. That means that the focal point is much hotter, of course, than 80 degrees. But this is a little bit away from it, so that I don't ruin the digital temperature sensor that I'm using, which is also in the kit. Which the final price I think has to be about $400. With a reasonable price for to do their data inside. Of course, the package these temperature sensors can also melt, but according to the specs, it should be able to handle up to 125 degrees. So I used it in boiling water, so that's not a problem. 86, still rising. You can see it's a bit windy, and see if I can get the paint to smoke again. And this is manual control. You can also digitally control it, but if you have the kit, then you get the ability to remote control this, and of course you can use it as a. Oh, it's down to 70 again. See. Anyway, if you'd like to do these type of experiments, then follow the link below this video and order the kit. You're also helping me with developing this further as a platform for experimentation. The kit is useful in any way because you can use it as heliostat. So I'll demonstrate that if you ignore the fact that you can concentrate sunlight, as you can see by the focal point right here, it's still on the blade. Oh, wrong button. You can also concentrate sunlight or reflect it towards where you want it to go with this simple device. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to simply shine into the camera. So with the kit that I've made up, you also get mirror material, high-grade mirror material, which I still have, which probably runs out, and then I have to order it again. But which enable you to do this, which simply mount a mirror in it and control where the light goes. As you can see, it's I guess this is as far as the frame wants to go, because it's a little bit tilted to the left, so it runs into. It's not yet run into the limit. This has to go down a little bit. Some light. Anyway, if you like this, send a message. If you think there should be a different price for this, or you have different ideas about it, let me know. And I'm happy to integrate all that information in the websites that are dedicated to solar power, concentrated solar power. And the more people that experiment with this stuff, the better. The more fun we can have enjoying the energy and the wealth that comes from solar power. Thanks for listening.